I welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education. As you know, YourPedia is the channel which is providing you detailed information about post-gate counseling activities, where you can apply, what are the last dates, forms, etc., opportunities. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what are the various forms जो अभी तक निकल चुके हैं and what are the new forms which has come up for which last date is in May. So as today we know 24th May, we see what are the options till today and what are the options which are there in the May and June. So as you know, admissions are taken directly by IITs in courses like direct PhD, PhD, MS and MTech courses. And some courses are directly admission taken through IIT, some are through COAP. And similarly, there are NITs, there are IIITs and many other reputed institutes like BITS Pilani, Indian Statistical Institute, Thapar University. So many colleges, many institutes. You should know where you can convert your GATE score into selection. And you know, there are some very good scholarship, and not only IIT but other IITs also. Like if you ask me about the scholarship of direct PhD, it normally it is starting from 31-32,000. IIT Gandhinagar kind of institutes are giving 40,000, and there is one private university I was seeing like Shivnadar University, they are giving 50,000. So you can get very good scholarship also, but you should be aware and you should prepare for interview and all and try to convert that. So let me give you the details. So we this basically entire detail is from April, but now this all is gone. This I'm not going to discuss about these. This or we have already done completed. April wala ho chuka hai. Now let's start with May, and that too May from here. So 21st May was the last date for IIT Madras for certain courses, which is now over. Let's now go for Delhi Technical University, 24th May. That today is the last date for those who want to apply for PhD in Delhi Technical University, which is a good college in Delhi. Earlier it was called Delhi College of Engineering. BITS Misra, MTech ka last date. Non-gate also can apply. Yes, those of you who are not having gate score, non-gate, you can see that also. What options are there for you? So BITS Misra में आपका 25th is the last date. Similarly, Triple IIT Naya Raipur. Triple IIT is earlier, you know, Triple IIT is not every Triple IIT is through CCMT. So NIT, Triple IITs were through CCMT, but NITs are through CCMT for MTech courses. But for PhD course, those of you who are already MTech and they want to get into PhD, if not in IIT, in NIT, then NITs are coming out with their PhD forms also. In my opinion, I think they will ask for research proposal and all. There you can seek the help and guidance from YourPedia Education, and YourPedia is also going for CCMT counseling also. So you can seek that also. BITS Pilani, Hyderabad, Goa, please see these last dates, and BITS may non-gate ke through you can go for it. You know, then there are some institutes like Triple IT Bangalore is a very reputed institute. For MTech, last date is 31st May. Go to the website. IIT Dhanbad, last date is 31st. Chennai Mathematical Institute. Now, there are certain institutes like Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, then Chennai Mathematical Institutes. They are very reputed institutes. So if you are good in mathematics and you can clear their written test also, like Chennai Mathematical Institute is having its own written test like ISI, Indian Statistical Institute, and detailed information was provided to you related to that also. Similarly, Triple IT Indore में PhD का last date, Pandit Deen Dayal Energy University Gandhinagar. These are some of the reputed institute. NIT Calicut has come out with PhD, direct PhD or MTech to PhD. So जिनको IIT से call नहीं आया है, they want to get into direct PhD of NITs and all, they can apply here also. Yes, Indian Statistical Institute we have already covered. So again, there's a written test and interview. No gate is required, and you can prepare. Interview is very important, and if you really want to prepare nicely for interview, you can seek the guidance of YourPedia mentors. Now NIT Surat, PhD, again the last date. Let me tell you some more here. So these are the other institute. Please note down this, and this is what I was talking about. Like Triple IT Pune is a very reputed institute here again. So non-gate written test, non-gate wale bachon ke liye opportunity is there. Shiv Nadari University is a private university and it is basically taking GATE and non-GATE both. And Shiv Nadari University, something very peculiar, there's a stipend of 50,000 rupees per month for PhD. So very good scholarship. As I told you, 30,000 to 50,000 it varies. So Shiv Nadari is giving, you can refer that also. IIT Goa, you know, IIT Goa is also coming out with all this. So these all institutes, and DTU mein MTech ka last date hai 18th of June. So please keep that thing in mind while you apply. Then some other institutes like Thapar University, Patiala. So there is basically last date is this for MTech and all PhD. So just keep yourself updated with this. And Slide Longowal, that is also Central University, very good university through CCMT also. And then some more information related to this. Triple IT Chittoor, Triple IT Guwahati. So all these institutes, Triple IT Vadodara, through CCMT and otherwise also written test and interview. You see this MTech to PhD, written test and interview. So these are so many options, whether through CCMT, those without GATE can also apply. Use your score, even if you don't have score, use your time, put effort in right direction and try to convert this particular thing. Okay, some more informations, Triple IT Chennai, Italy through CCMT and all. So we'll keep on discussing about when it comes. So some triple ITs are through CCMT, others are having their own test, like this is their own test and interview. So this is how you can proceed forward. Crux of this entire discussion is you should know what institute is coming, what is the last date for the institute for filling of the basically forms for MTech, MS, PhD. Apply that. Do not misuse, do not basically waste your GATE score. And even if you don't have GATE score, try to prepare for written exam and interview and you can get into that. There are a lot of scholarships and you can really get good scholarship if you prepare well. All the best, and any help you seek from YourPedia mentors, you can contact us. Thank you.